Hi, this is Joseph. The Lord says the month of December is a month of restoration, and the Lord will restore everything that the enemy has stolen. He will also restore the time that was lost in this month of December. The Lord showed to me how people lost in finances, in health, in relationships, and also lost vision. But this is a time where the Lord is going to restore your health back to you. He's going to restore finances, give you favor, connect you with His supernatural provision. He's going to release to you favor so that relationships can be restored. And then the Lord is going to give you clarity of sight so that you can see the vision He has for you. It's not only the things that are being restored, but also the time that are being redeemed in the season. In Joel chapter 1 verse 4, we read about 4 levels of demonic attack. And that's why I felt that was these 4 areas of health, finances, relationships, and vision. And it says there that there was these 4 locusts that came and ate. Joel chapter 1:4. What the chewing locust left, the swarming locust has eaten. What the swarming locust left, the crawling locust has eaten. And what the crawling locust left, the consuming locust has eaten. Is 4 waves of demonic attack. Now it's important for us to always remember that Jesus always gives life, and the devil always comes to kill, steal, and destroy. I remember 1 year ago in September, I was involved in a very serious car accident. My head was smashed in on the corner of the car, and there was bleeding on top of my head. For 6 weeks, I had to sleep. I couldn't do anything else. The doctor said I'm allowed to be awake 2 hours a day. The rest of the time, I must sleep because there was bleeding on my brain. And so over that time, I had to heal. My ligaments was torn off on C5, C6, and C7 on both sides, and it was difficult for me to pick anything up because my ligaments was broken. There was inflammation throughout my whole back, and I was in serious pain over that season. Not only did I lose health, but also finances. My car was completely totaled and destroyed, and I had to buy a new car. All the medical expenses was expensive. Also, over that 6 weeks, I couldn't minister to anyone, so my relationships suffered. I felt, why did this happen? So I struggled to see the vision that God has for me. And that is a picture for me of how those 4 waves of demonic attack came. Yet, I put my trust in Him, and the Lord brought restoration to me. And I just felt that the Lord reminded me today about the great things that He's done for me to restore back to me what the enemy has stolen. And I felt the Lord is saying to you, in the same way, I will restore to you what the enemy has stolen, whether it be in the areas of health, finances, relationships, and vision. Not only will the Lord restore what the enemy stole, but He will also restore the time that you have lost. In Joel chapter 2 verse 25, so I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten, the crawling locust, the consuming locust, and the chewing locust. So he says there's 4 waves of demonic attack, 4 different types of locusts. Okay? But he says, not only will I restore what those locusts ate, I will also restore the years that you have lost. Over the season of December, we are celebrating the birth of Jesus. Now, of course, I believe that Jesus was born in the end of March. But over the season, we are celebrating Jesus. And so it's important to understand what the name Jesus means. So Jesus means Yahweh saves, Yahweh delivers, Yahweh rescues, and Yahweh restores. Okay, so He delivers you from the enemies. He heals you from all your sickness. He make whole again. He restore what was lost or stolen. The Lord has an amazing plan and a purpose for your life. And He is aligning you so that you can fulfill that plan. And that's really the salvation that Jesus brings. He gives us peace. The peace of God means nothing missing, every need met, and you walking in the purpose God has created you for. When Jesus went into the synagogue in Nazareth, He took that book of Isaiah and He started to read. He said, "The Spirit of the Lord is upon me, because He has anointed me to preach the gospel to the poor. And so you can see here that Jesus comes to bring restoration to the poor. He brings financial restoration. He continues, He has sent me to heal the brokenhearted. Okay, so He brings healing and restoration to your physical body, to proclaim liberty to the captives and recovery of sight to the blind. Okay, that liberty is to being set free from demonic oppression, and the recovery of sight to the blind is He restores vision back to you, to set at liberty those who are oppressed. And I felt the word of the Lord is saying to you that in those 4 areas of healing, of finances, of relationships, and of vision, the Lord is releasing restoration to you over this month of December. Now I want to give you 4 practical things that you can do along with this prophetic word and this promise that God has given to you, so that you can see that promise being fulfilled. In the area of relationships, if there is someone that has hurt you, the Lord is calling on us to forgive that person. If you have done wrong towards someone else, still ask the Lord to forgive you and then go back to that person and make right. Jesus said in Matthew chapter 5, Therefore, if you bring your gift to the altar and there remember that your brother has something against you, leave your gift there before the altar and go your way. First be reconciled to your brother and then come and offer your gift. And so the Lord is calling unto us to reconcile and to forgive. If we forgive them their trespasses, the Lord will also forgive us our trespasses. It's not conditional on their action, it's a decision that we make. So that is the key that the Lord is releasing for restoration in the area of relationships. In the area of finances, let him who stole steal no longer, but rather let him labor, working with his hands what is good, that he may have something to give who has need. And so there is 3 levels again. The first level is to stop stealing. The second level is then to work, so that you can have something, so that you can have seed to sow. And then the third level is to sow a seed, and then the Lord will bring a harvest. And I believe that the Lord says, this is a key that I'm releasing to the ones that need financial breakthrough. Then in the third area of sickness, and these signs will follow those who believe. In my name, they will lay hands on the sick and they will recover. And so call your family, call the elders, let them lay hands on you and pray for you and release healing into your body. And I just declare today that the Lord touches you and that He heals you. And then we've got the 4th level. That is the purpose that the Lord has for you. It says in John chapter 3:16, For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Jesus is releasing life to you, but not only life, everlasting life. That means that life is connected to time. He's restoring time to you. He's restoring purpose to you. Remember, where there's no purpose, there's no life. But when there's purpose, there is life. And so He's restoring everlasting life to you, not only for you to one day go to heaven, but also to live in the life that He's called you to live in today. Family, the Lord loves each one of you, and this month of December is a month of restoration to you. The Lord loves you. I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, write me a comment. I look forward to see you tomorrow. God bless you.